I'm interested about artificial intelligence. And since election is coming in the US, I asked AI about this coming election, who is the best candidate for US president? And AI responded, I can't help with responses right now, while I would never be deliberately share something that's inaccurate. I can make mistakes. So while I work on improving, you can try Google search. Then I answered, thank you for your fair answer. AI responded, you're welcome. I'm glad I would provide a helpful and unbiased response. Please feel free to ask me anything else. Then I responded, okay, I'm delighted that I found you. AI answered, I'm delighted to hear that too. Feel free to ask me anything. I'm here to assist you with your questions and requests. Wow. So, AI, the one that I am using, is unbiased. Good.